So did you guys see recently over the last couple of trading days how Polygon completely shocked some of the market participants? Take a look at the price chart. It even shocked me. I did not get my price prediction correct in Polygon. Look at it. Right here on November the 1st is when the last video we produced for Polygon, and I was looking for the market just to go down slightly. Like I was expecting at least a small movement to the downside. And just to show you how bullish this cryptocurrency is, it didn't even go down that low. When we did our video on November the 1st, we identified how sellers was hitting the market in Matic right here. Okay. And the demand for this cryptocurrency was so strong, around 60 cents to 65 cents, that every time those sellers hit the market in Polygon, those buyers, they bought it and the market completely ran higher. Matter of fact, it happened on the day that we did our video. Look at the close right here on November the 1st. It closed at the high of the bar right there on November the 1st. And then the sellers was like, all right, cool. I see you guys want to continue to buy what I'm selling. The next day, those sellers came back and hit the market in Polygon. We got that indicator weakness. The volume was high as well. Then those buyers, they're like, all right, cool. What you got? I could take more of what you're selling. Let me get more of it. And that's why on the next day, November the 3rd, those buyers still closed the price at the high of the bar. And soon after that, look what happened. Price ran up. This is how you're able to tell how supply and demand is working in the market. If you see weakness off of a price chart and it's not going down, then that tells you that the market is buying it. This is what happened on our last price prediction. Now the idea for us is to recognize as soon as possible if that's happening, so that you can minimize the idea that price is still weak. So what happened? At what point would you have said, all right, cool, the market obviously is not weak, I need to switch sides? When did it happen? Well, it happened right here. This was your first clue. The day that we did our video. How the market in Polygon closed at the high of the bar on a decent amount of volume. That told you already that somebody bought whoever was selling. And then the next opportunity that you should get another clue was after we got this indicator of weakness, you would expect the market to go down again, but in the end, it did not even do that. That is why this market in Polygon Matic is moving higher. Nothing more, nothing less. There wasn't no spectacular news event. It wasn't no type of release of new technology that Polygon Matic has. It's just the fact that people felt it was cheap and they're continuing to buy it. Now, seeing that we missed out on this move, I'm not going to drop a price prediction right now because I know that this too shall pass. It's going to end eventually. So why stay here and try to drop a price prediction when the market is at a price? Get this. It's trading at a price that we haven't seen since July 15, 2023. Zooming out the chart, you guys can see where the last issue came into the market in Polygon. So I think this particular cryptocurrency is about to pump brakes. Yeah, we're about to see it stop. So rather than me acting like the market is not bullish, it is bullish. But rather than me trying to come in and drop a price prediction, and I know that we have this road hazard back here in the back, that's going to impact me into thinking the market's not going to go down. See, many people are hyped right now. They're ingesting their psychology, a whole lot of fear, a whole lot of FOMO. They don't want to miss out on this fantastic move in Polygon. Think about it. Since the low of October the 19th, Matic is already up 65.5%, 65.63%. So those who haven't jumped on board, they're getting on board now. They got those itchy fingers. They got to hit that click button to buy this currency. Well, I want you all to understand that you have to be more cognizant and understanding that they may want to do that. But this price chart is showing you that there may be some warning signs ahead. And namely, I'm looking around this area. Okay, right there. So let's break this down, because right now you can even see here in Polygon that weakness and selling is hitting the market right now. Right now, look at that. We're closing off the high of the bar. Now, I'm not going to be reliant upon because it's not printed. This daily price bar is not printed yet. Here it is on the 2-day chart. So let's do this here first. We're going to create the trend that the market in Polygon currently is on and get rid of these other lines because this is what the market wants. It wants to be bullish. We're going to make it bullish. So here it is. This is the idea for Polygon. And it's been a long time since we've seen a trend like this in Polygon. Matter of fact, I was saying a whole lot of cryptocurrencies. We haven't seen a market this bullish. It's going straight up. Now I'm going to create this area right here as resistance. Okay. You guys can already see we already broke this initial stage of resistance. This might be an area. Here's another area of proposed resistance. And here's the top area of the resistance area in Polygon. So even though we acknowledge this is how strong the market is, yes, we're geared, we're prepared to allow price in Matic to continue to go up. Now, these 3 lines off the chart, that's horizontal, that is where we're expecting the market to get it with more selling. Okay. Take a look on the 2-day chart. Here's Polygon on the 3, 5. Weekly chart looks pretty bullish. 2-week chart looks pretty bullish. Here it is on the 3. Here's Polygon on the 5. 5-week chart. You can see if we maintain this current 5-weekly price bar, my next target would be all the way up here towards $1. Okay. That's on the 5-weekly time frame. So let me go ahead and let me look at this on 330-minute chart. Yeah, so just like I did in my channeling video today, I'm not going to drop a price prediction. I need to let this market cool off. It's too hot. And when something is too hot, you can't touch it because you're likely to get burned. So let me let the market in Polygon come down. And then if we see strength continue, I will say hold support here at 80 or even all the way down here around 75. Then we could come back through and drop another price prediction looking for Polygon to continue its move higher. That's only if we see strength though. If I don't see strength over the next couple of days, then I'm going to anticipate that weakness and sell that is currently in the market now with Polygon is definitely impacting the price progression to move higher, and I need to move or at least forecast the market to go down lower. So let me hold this back. Okay, let me get rid of these lines because our focus is going to be on these 2 areas ultimately in Polygon. So let me see how low it's going to go first. I'm going to chill out on this one. Guys, give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.